Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss the impact of GM crops on the environment. GM crops, or genetically modified crops, are plants whose DNA has been modified in a laboratory. These modifications are made to offer benefits like increased resistance to pests and diseases. One potential environmental benefit of GM crops is their ability to reduce the use of chemical pesticides. By introducing pest-resistant genes into crops, farmers can reduce their reliance on harmful insecticides. This can lead to a decrease in the amount of chemicals released into the environment, promoting ecosystem health. Another potential benefit is the ability to increase crop yields, which can help meet the needs of a growing population. With improved yields, less land may need to be converted into agricultural fields, preserving natural habitats. Some text goes here. However, critics argue that the increased use of GM crops could lead to the development of resistant pests. Some text goes here. If pests become resistant to GM crops, farmers may need to increase the use of chemicals, leading to environmental concerns. There are also concerns about the potential for cross-pollination between GM crops and wild relatives. This could result in the transfer of modified genes to wild plants, which could have unintended consequences for biodiversity. Additionally, the long-term effects of consuming GM crops are not yet fully understood. Some studies have raised concerns about the potential for allergenic or toxic effects on humans and animals. Regulation and labeling of GM products vary across countries, making it difficult for consumers to make informed choices. Furthermore, the dominance of a few big biotech companies in the GM seed market raises concerns about monopoly control. Some text goes here. Opponents argue that these companies prioritize profit over environmental protection and food security. Despite the controversies surrounding GM crops, some argue that they have the potential to address global food security challenges. Advocates point out that GM crops could be engineered to withstand harsh climatic conditions, helping farmers adapt to climate change. It is important to carefully weigh the potential benefits and risks associated with GM crops, considering long-term consequences. Thanks for viewing this video and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.